Imagine a show, Peep, about ducks. Oh, there could be a chicken in it, like, say, you, and a red bird, maybe, and Beaver Boy.
I feel alive with Peep.
And my pond, of course, and the fish.
I'd recognize that bottom anywhere.
But it would be mostly about
that duck.
and how smart we are. Isn't that the weirdest apple you ever saw? How polite we are.
Ducks.
Did I mention the brave part? Imagine it, Pete.
What?
I think I'd call it, Quack. Quack and the Big Blue Pond. Oh, I like it. Quack in the big white hat. Where's my hat? Quack leads the way with his hat. And lots of his friends all tagging behind. Wahoo!
Peep in the big wide world, where kids are scientists and ducks aren't.
Okay, it needs some work.